Hey, Bristol. You want to read a book? Okay, what's this? Okay. You ready? What's that say? What is he eating? What are those? What are those? What's that? What's this? What's that? What's this? It's a circle, but what are those? Who is that? Who is that? What's his name? Who is that? Oh yeah? And what's this say? No, it says square. Square. Who's that? Can you say this? What does that say? Triangle? Say triangle. No? What are those? Those hats?
Hello.
Are you talking on the phone? Who is it? Talk to them. It's Mommy. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Oh, now say hello. Oh. Good, talk to them. Say hi, Grandma. Is it Grandma? Say hello. Alright, give it back if you're not going to talk. You say hello. Who's this? What's that? What is this? What's her name? What? You're gonna... Here. Put the baby to bed. Uh-oh. Good job. Does baby have to go to the bathroom? Good job. Are they all going to bed? I'm glad you got the first page of this book down. And so what's that say again? What's that say? What's that say? What's that? You don't care? You want to talk on the phone? Give us a big smile. Hey, let us see those teeth. Oh, who's that? Who's this? Who is that? Who's this? Is that the kitty? Yeah, what's the kitty say? Let me see this. No. What's the kitty say? What's the doggy say? What's the cow say? What's the... Oh, what is that? Is that a pig? Is it a piggy? You're funny. Alright, bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Give the camera a kiss. Oh, whoa. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye-bye.